Hello, this is Sean at Sean May Official, and I wanted to go create a quick video on search engine optimization basics and actually how to start ranking right away and what you can do with your website to start ranking. All right, so quick going over the basics. What is SEO? SEO, of course, is ranking your website or one of your web pages on page one of the search engines, which of course are Google, Bing, Yahoo, and Amazon. So when people go to one of those search engines and type in something that they want to find, you show up on the first page because page one really is everything. No one really goes to page two. No, they pretty much look at page one. If they don't find what they are looking for, then they do another search or they go somewhere else. So you definitely want to be on page one. So I wanted to go over quickly some terminology that is related to search engine optimization. I won't go into much depth and tell you how to do all of these things, but I know there is a ton of terminology when it comes to SEO. So the first one is keywords. And keywords are just what I was saying is when people type into the search engines what they're looking for, those are the keywords. And on-page optimization is what you do to your actual website and web page to help it show up better on page one. What a backlink is when you get a link from someone else's website, or it could be one of your other sites, just a different website on the internet, and they send a link that links to your website or web page. Anchor text is also, it's kind of the hyperlink. If you've ever heard a hyperlink, it's pretty much the same thing. But when someone sends a link from a different website to your website, they can either just have the naked URL, so it just looks like www. For Sean May Official, it'd be seanmayofficial.com. But what you can do is you can actually hide that URL behind text. So what it could say is, for more information on search engine optimization, go here. And then they click on the go here, and it takes them to the seanmayofficial.com. The anchor text is actually the go here text. It's the hyperlink text. So hopefully that makes sense. PBN, or private blog network, is a terminology that's thrown around a lot in the SEO world. It's a bunch of different sites that can be either WordPress sites, self-hosted sites, Web 2.0 sites, or social sites that all work together to link to another site to help boost the power of your money site or your main site that you want to rank, so it does show up on page one. And there's a lot of kind of technique and research that goes into creating a really good PBN, but I at least wanted to tell you what PBN is. And then of course, social signals, that's what everyone says is ranking pages now. So when you're trying to rank, you need social signals. So you need a Facebook page that's getting likes and shares, and Twitter tweets that are getting retweeted and they're getting liked, and Google Plus pages that get +1s on different posts, things like that. So you need the social signals to help boost your site. And how do you make money with SEO? So you can make money so many different ways with SEO, and this is just a super short list. I already see tons that I left off here. But you can help local businesses rank for their keywords. So you can help local restaurants, local landscapers, wherever you're at. There's tons of local businesses, and that's the good thing. If you're looking at getting into SEO and making money with it, local SEO, local client SEO is awesome, because every single town around the world has local businesses that want to show up online and get more customers, and you can help them do that. Affiliate marketing, you can promote other people's products, whether it be on Amazon or if it's digital products. If you're getting the traffic, and you can promote those products, so it's an easy way. CPA, or pretty much a cost per action. So people, it's can be similar to like lead generation for businesses, but it can be also very different. People signing up for trials. So if you're getting a bunch of traffic for a certain keyword, let's just say people are looking for a weight loss supplement, you can then send them to go sign up for a free trial of a weight loss supplement, and you'll get paid each time someone signs up for that trial. Reputation management. So this happens with different celebrity figures, with any type of business out there. if there's any products and they have bad reviews, or if they're getting hurt badly and their business is going down because a person had a bad day or had one bad experience with a company, is to help them remove those bad experiences on off of the internet, to so it's not hurting their actual business. So you can help businesses with reputation management. Launch jacking. So if there's a new product that's coming onto the market that there's going to be a lot of people interested in it, you can get in front of all that traffic and promote it, usually through affiliate marketing as well. But that's another great way to make a lot of money very quickly. And then we've already kind of gone through this lead generation for businesses. You can generate leads like kind of like the CPA, but you can do it for businesses. So let's say a lawyer is looking for new customers. If you create a site for legal services, and you can sell those leads to different lawyers around town. All right. What you're probably here for is how to start ranking right now. It's all about the user experience right now. Google said it, and all the other search engines are pretty much following it. They want the best user experience for the person that's searching online for something. So how they do this is through three things called bounce rate, scroll rate, and time on page. The bounce rate is when someone goes to your website, if they only go on that one page and then leave your website, or if they go to other pages on your website. So if they click links that take them to other pages on their website, the ranking algorithms give it a +1 pretty much. They say, oh, good. That person must like that website because they not only went to one page, they went to multiple pages. So we're going to start ranking it higher. Scroll rate. If someone goes to your website and actually uses their mouse to scroll down the page, the search engines also give that a +1, because if they're scrolling on the page, that means they want to read more. They want to get more content off that site. So it must be a good site. And then time on page, very straightforward. The more time someone spends on a web page or a website, the better it is for your ranking. So how to increase all of those is with bounce rate. You want to put other links on your sites, on your pages, that link to other pages on your site. So they have people that go to your website have ways to actually look at more information, have images that go to other sites on your page. Scroll rate, good ways is to actually have an arrow that says read below for more information, go below for more information, or actually having an image or a video that's kind of at the bottom of the page where people can kind of see it, but they have to scroll down to see the entire image. And instantly when someone starts scrolling, you get that scroll rate boost. And then time on page, great ways to do that are having videos on your site. If people are watching a video that's embedded on your site, then they're going to stay on your page for much longer. Infographics are great for this. Long lists. People love lists. So if you create different lists of topics that are related to your website, it's great because people will spend more time on it. So leading into how to start ranking, add an image with a description of what that image is about, that's has a description that has your keyword in it. So what you want to rank for, what people are searching for in the search engines, you want to have that in your description of the image. Also add a video that is related to your topic. I love YouTube videos, especially because Google owns YouTube. What it does is it allows for quick indexing of your site. So when you create a new website or a new web page, Google has to scan that site before they'll ever rank it. So they have to index it. If you have a YouTube video on your site, Google will look at that and they usually index it much, much quicker. So that's an added bonus beyond the time on page and the possible scroll rate boost that you'll get out of that as well. So I know I went through that extremely quickly. I didn't give you absolutely everything you'll need to rank on page one, but I think it's a good start that you can wrap your head around it. But if you're really looking at ranking on page one, monetizing, maybe creating your own SEO agency or business, I highly, highly, highly recommend jumping on board for Page One Engine. It is launching June 23rd, 2015. and the cart will open about a week later on that. So there is scarcity. I'm not trying to create false scarcity, but you only have a short period of time to jump into this because the trainers and Dory Friend who created Page One Engine really wants to take care of everyone that jumps on board. So make sure if you're interested in doing this, jump on board. And I am an affiliate of Page One Engine, so I've done a full review and created tons and tons of bonuses that give so much added value on top of the. I've gone through Page One Engine and I've created a bunch of bonuses that I think will just add on and get you results and success that much quicker. So make sure you go to SeanMayOfficial.com, check out the review on Page One Engine. And if you have any questions, leave a comment there. I'd love to hear from you. So once again, this is Sean at Sean May Official. We'll talk to you soon.